What is going on, guys? It is Bucky and welcome back to your third XHTML tutorial. So in the last tutorial what we did is we made a very basic website, this website right here, and it doesn't even have anything in the body. All it has is a dumb old title that says this is a title sucker. First of all, I don't appreciate that attitude, website, and second of all, we need to spruce this website up a little bit and we need to actually add something. I mean, how dumb is this website? It's just a white screen. Pretty dumb, huh? So anyways, like I said a couple tutorials ago, if you remember, a website consists of two parts. All websites. The head, which is pretty much all the information that you don't see but the browser needs, such as the title, keywords for search engines, all that good stuff, and the body. Now, we didn't even add a body yet, but the body is the part where all the images, all the links, all the paragraphs, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and build a body right now so we can actually have something to look at other than just a blank white nothing. So anyways, in order to create the body of your website, here's what you need to do. Outside of your head, but still inside that HTML, give yourself some space to work first of all, and go ahead and type the body tags. Now, in order to create body tags, less than and greater than, and the keyword for this is body. And to end your body, less than greater than, / body. So, oh, my / didn't pick up. There we go. Body, just like that. Now, anything we type in here is going to appear in the body of our website. So, let's go ahead and type I am in the body. And let's go ahead and save this. And when you save it and refresh it, it should pop up. So now we have some text in the body that says I am in the body. So that is how we put text in the body. But if all we knew how to do was put dumb old text in the body, then we're not very far on our way to opening a web design business. So we need to learn something else. And what I'm going to teach you is one of the most basic concepts whenever you write articles or you make titles for your website, and that is how to create a header. Now, if you're saying, all right, what the heck is a header? A header is totally different from the head. So don't even, I shouldn't have even pointed that out because it's probably just going to confuse you now. But a header is pretty much the title. Think of like the header on a newspaper that says like, the world is going to end in 2012. It's pretty much the title that you would put above a paragraph. So let's go ahead and we'll keep that I'm in the body, but above it, but still in your body, we're going to add something, like I said, called a header. Now, let me reiterate this one more time. A header is basically a bold, big title. Now, by default, they come in 6 different sizes. Header 1, Header 2, Header 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, Header 1 is the biggest title. Header 2 is a little bit smaller, and they keep getting smaller all the way down to 6. But anyways, let me quit talking and go ahead and show you guys an example before before I confuse you too much. So, in order to make a header, go ahead and in your tags type H1. That's the key tag or keyword for the header. Now let's go ahead and make our ending tag, and we'll name this H1. Now anything we type in between here is going to be in the header. So since a header is going to be like a title, let's go ahead and make like the world ends in 2012. That's a good title. That might be in the newspapers in the upcoming months. So let's go ahead and save this and refresh, and I'll show you guys what a header is. You can see that it's different than the default text on our webpage because not only is it bigger, but it's also bolded as well. So whenever you're making titles on your web pages or you just want some text to stand out and pop, surround it with header tags and it's going to pop. Now let me go ahead and copy this, and under it I'm going to Control V. That's how you paste. And under it, let's go ahead and change this line to header 2. So what we have in our body right here is we have a big header, a header under it that's slightly smaller, and we have just regular text. So let me show you guys the difference between header 1 and header 2. Let's go ahead and save this and refresh our web page, and it says, bam, the world ends in 2012. This is header 1. This is header 2. and this is the regular plain old text that isn't surrounded by any tags at all. So now you can see the difference a header makes and the different sizes you get from having 1, 2, and they keep getting smaller all the way down to 6. So anyways, that is how you create a basic header and also add basic text in your body. So pretty simple, I know, but hey, we need this a good foundation before we can start adding images and making cool games and stuff like that. I mean, start with the basics, and eventually by the end of these tutorials you'll be a pro at designing websites. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next tutorial.